Do you also feel that CISSP is tougher than you expected? And do you ever feel that even after studying so much, the exam still tests you in a completely different way? Or do you sometimes wonder whether you are the only one finding this journey mentally exhausted? Well, if you relate to this thing, then today's conversation is especially for you guys. So today I'm here with Ashwin, who has cleared his exam yesterday, his CISSP exam yesterday, and let's all celebrate his success. So Ashwin, many congratulations and welcome to the call.
Thank you. Thank you, Pratima. Thank you. So, first of all, my name is Ashwin. So, I have a industry experience of close to 18 years. And since before joining Cybernous, I was exploring many other platforms. But I came across few of the reviews and about my peers and my colleagues have referred me here. So what I felt different from Manoj sir teaching to others is it's kind of he's putting that how to think like a manager mindset from the day one, and also he is aligning our goals with respect to the CISP examination mindset. And also every Sunday during the gym session, it is very helpful for us to how I'd say model our mind to think like a manager and view ourselves from the CISP standpoint. And also every Wednesday during the refresher session, also it was very helpful. Manoj sir was able to clear any doubt you can ask. A number of times or in a different way, or he will try to explain in a different format so that you will get convinced with the response. And also, mainly, I would recommend Manoj sir course plus his Udemy mock test, which actually is I would say it's a gem. It's a gold mine because I could see those questions are near real examination question. I could feel because the how the question was framed, how the jargon was used, so everything. And Manoj Sharma's read technique like READ, first review the question, eliminate the choices or options, and analyze the answer and decide on what is the option is best. So I would surely recommend because I took only 3 months, like within below 100 days, I have passed the exam. So because of Manoj sir intense training as well as he will make it easy because if you go out and ask, oh, how was CISSP, everybody will say it's a huge topic or it's a huge examination you can't clear. But it's not like that case. If you are having a right mentor, right coach, I think it will be easy to crack, like how I find with Cybernous and Manoj Sharma's coaching. Yeah.
That was fantastic, Ashwin. Thank you for sharing your review and many congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you, Pratima. Thank you to the entire Cybernous team and especially Manoj Sharma sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Thank you.